Greetings, YouTube. I'm back with that cool dog. Cool dog's back to have her a meltdown today, boy. That's right. We discovered we're out of toilet paper, and here's a song called Out of Toilet Paper to suit the mood. It's from Hair Metal Revolution, my friend Eric. I think it's under the name Shaved Kitty.
Woke up late, cheap wine breath, bad decisions knocking on my head. Bathroom light like an interrogation, too much fun, not enough preparation. Cold tile floor, reality bites, thunder rumbling from last night's fight. Reach for hope on the porcelain throne, that's when I found myself all alone. This ain't love, this ain't fate, this is pain with a stupid name. I'm praying to the rock and roll God, send some mercy. Oh Lord, I'm out of toilet paper. Blues got me trapped in here. Out of toilet paper. Oh, bad moaning crystal clear. Yeah, I'm out of toilet paper. This ain't how a legend dies. Mirror laugh, sing won't help. Ain't no savior on the bathroom shelf. Phone's too far, pride's too strong. I knew this day wouldn't take long. I had leather pants, big hair dreams. Didn't plan for the in-between. You can conquer stages, steal the show, still get humbled real low. Every king's got a weakest hour. Even Rosa's got a fun that is sour. From the penthouse to the floor, life kicks back when you want more. Yeah, out of toilet paper, blues running down the spine. Out of toilet paper, rack bottom right damn tight. Yeah, I'm out of toilet paper. Guess the joke's on me tonight. Mama said, boy, stay prepared. Rock and roll, don't care. You can spread like a superstar, still lose it all in its smallest room.
You can do what you want to do, cool dog. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for that cool dog. And be sure to check out Hair Metal Revolution, my friend Eric. And give him a like and a subscribe and check out his latest stuff. And until next time, block over dudes.